Welcome to my YouTube channel, Infinite Nostalgia, and today I'm bringing you a teardown video of a Wii remote. Whether you're trying to fix it or clean up some sticky buttons or something, this is going to be perfect for you. I'm going to show you how to tear apart a Wii remote in such a way where you're not going to mess it up. It's pretty simple to do, especially if you've took stuff apart before, but I'm going to make this video for you just to make sure that everything goes smoothly. So what you're going to need is a tri-wing 2.5 tip. And you're obviously going to need your screwdriver as well. I'm showing you that in the video. This little kit that I got from Amazon. If you're interested, I'll put the link below. You're also going to need some type of pry tool or like a guitar pick or something. So I got that comes in the kit right there. But anyway, I'm going to go set that aside. All right. And there's actually going to be 4 screws. I'm going to show you the locations real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. This remote's a little bit corroded, so it's a little bit difficult getting these screws out. Just a little side note, this was going to be a repair video, but the remote was just so far gone that unfortunately I could not repair it. So this is just a teardown video, unfortunately. Okay, so this next step, what you're going to want to do, get your little pry tool, guitar pick, whatever you have, and there's little clips on the very end of the remote. So what you're going to have to do is apply tension to the bottom half, kind of like pull it apart with one hand, and then with the other hand, you're going to slide that guitar pick in the end to pop it loose. It's going to take you a couple tries most likely. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling, but eventually it'll pop loose like it just did. You're going to keep holding tension and then slide the guitar pick. And then when you pull the remote apart, make sure it's face down because you don't want the buttons falling everywhere. And usually the pads will stay on the other side, but since mine was so corroded, it stuck to the pad. As you can see, there's a lot of corrosion and stuff. This remote was just so far gone that there's no fixing it. But all I'm going to do is, show you how to tear it apart. To put it back together, it's just the opposite. You're going to put all the pads in the other side of the remote. You're going to put the speaker in there as well. And then you're going to clip the top part together. And then you're going to put the screws back in and you're done. Thanks for watching, guys.